Have your pumps been clogging? Are you constantly pulling them to clean them? Did your engineer specify highly efficient semi-clog pumps? May be time to upgrade to new Homa Vortex pumps and start saving both time and money.
Today?
Yesterday or the day before. In the last 2 days.
That's pretty much what you've been seeing underneath it, huh? Just these rags.
Oh yeah.
Well, we'll open it up and see. Alright, we'll put her down now. And
Are we going to take that off?
alright, so that's what we found inside there, huh? That's what's been clogging your pumps?
That's actually about a day and a half, 2 days worth at the most.
Wow.
That's usually 5 times that once a week.
Holding her together.
This is the Homa pump we're about to put in. And what we're doing is we're bolting on a piece of an Abara pump, which allows us to adapt to their LL100 slide face assembly. One test we like to do. Show us that tennis ball, Jim. Right through that opening, come right out the other side. We need a bigger, smaller Jim.
Smaller gem to fit in the truck.
Alright. Try that later on with the other pump, see what happens. Theory of the vortex pump. The principles of operation of a 100% recessed impeller vortex pump is simple. The pump spins in an area of the volute that's completely out of the flow path. The spinning creates a vortex similar to that found in a toilet bowl when being flushed. Since the impeller is not in the flow path of the volute, the pump is ideal for handling liquids that contain long stringy solids, long diameter solids, and slurries, or a combination of these without plugging up. Basically, whatever goes into the suction of the pump will be pumped out as long as the solids are smaller than the discharge diameter. Okay. This stuff has been clogging the pump week to week.
Well, you're going to have to make a longer order on this.
Okay, we flipped over the Abara pump. This is a non-clog pump. We kind of call it a semi-clog pump. See what happens when Jim tries to put the tennis ball in there. It's really a tight passage. The number of veins are just asking to be clogged by rags and things like that. Magnetic contactors, nothing special. And we have that vortex pump in, and let's see how many amps it's drawing. On about 64, 63 amps. Good stuff. Recording? I think so. So you were just saying.
With Mountaintop Area Municipal Authority, I just wanted to reference our new Homa pump and the fact that it's just working extraordinarily well. We're extremely pleased with not only the price, the sales, the service, and all aspects of it. We do have a 2-pump station here. We have currently 1 Homa, and I can assure you one thing: when it's time for another pump, we will definitely buy another one.
Now before this, you had the non-clog in there, and the pumps were clogging?
Actually, yes. Our pump, we have 2 pumps. We put the Homa in pump 1. I was pulling pump 2 to unclog it about every week, possibly maybe a whisker longer, but just about every week I was pulling it to every 2 weeks. Now I've actually pulled it on about a 6-week interval. And it's actually helped cure my second pump clogging issue as well. But we're extremely pleased, and again, we'll definitely buy another one whenever the time comes.
Electrical consumption, you were saying before, they're almost the same thing, huh?
Actually, electrical consumption, actual black and white figures, we are saving over our previous 2-pump system. When we put the new Homa in, we're saving about 66 hours a month in electrical consumption, which it's going to take a pretty short period of time for us to cost justify and essentially have the pump pay for itself. That coupled with the labor saving of the cleaning, we're extremely pleased, and I know our board is